Helicopters 0806 Delta Delta 3, clear to land and taxi to the Coast Guard ramp via Delta 3, this frequency.
Delta Delta 3, clear to land, taxi to Coast Guard ramp via Delta 3, staying with you, 086. Tower United 1417 is with you whenever you can squeeze this out.
United 1470, Travis Tower, hold short, runway 28, work on your release.
Hold short, runway 28, United 1417.
United 1470, proceed direct Dells, climb maintain at 6,000, runway 28, clear for takeoff traffic, the Huey, low level over the lake off the departure and remain north of your runway at all times.
Okay, United 1417 will maintain 6,000, clear direct Dells, and clear for takeoff runway 28, copy traffic.
Traverse City Tower, experimental 540, you're leaving the aerobatic box, returning.
Experimental 540 West East Sierra, Travis City Tower, fly westbound for now, traffic is a Airbus departing runway 28.
Okay, no, westbound.